stop scrolling and listen up. Today, we're not just talking about any money-making method, we're revealing the absolute best way to make money online. This isn't your average tutorial, it's a game changer. Whether you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind or just looking for extra cash, I've got the key to your financial freedom. And the best part? You can start right now, right where you are. So if you're ready to turn your online income dreams into reality, smash that subscribe button. Let's embark on this lucrative journey together. Your path to wealth starts with a simple click. Subscribe now, and let's dive into endless online earning opportunities. Step 1. Choosing your niche. Alright, step 1 is like picking the perfect outfit for a party. It's gotta be just right. Your niche isn't just a topic, it's your playground, specialty, and passion. Ask yourself, what do I love talking about? What could I read about for hours without getting bored? Maybe it's the latest tech, gardening, or even cooking exotic dishes. Now here's where it gets interesting. Mix your passion with what's in demand. Check out Google Trends or Amazon bestsellers for inspiration. Did you know that niches like personal wellness and sustainable living are on the rise? Or that tech reviews have a massive following? Choose a niche that's both a personal favorite and a crowd pleaser. Moving to step 2, market research. Consider it your treasure map. Jump onto platforms like YouTube, Reddit, or even Facebook groups. Look for what's trending in your niche. Are people buzzing about a new fitness trend or a groundbreaking tech gadget? These are clues to where your audience's interests lie. Pay attention to the comments and discussions. What are people asking for? What problems do they need solutions to? For example, if you're into fitness, notice how yoga and home workouts have soared in popularity. Or in the tech world, everyone's curious about the latest smartphones. This research isn't just about counting views or likes. It's about understanding what makes your audience tick. By aligning your content with their interests, you're not just another voice online, but the go-to expert they've been looking for. Step 3. Skill acquisition. You don't need to be a know-it-all. Know a bit more than most. Dive into your niche. Watch YouTube tutorials, join webinars, read up-to-date blogs, or even take an online course. Say you're into digital marketing. Did you know that social media advertising skills are in high demand? Or, if cooking is your thing, mastering the art of food photography can make your content stand out. It's not just about gathering information, it's about applying it. Practice what you learn. Start a small project, create content, and get your hands dirty. This real-world experience is priceless. You're not just learning, but becoming an authority in your niche. Plus, you get to share your journey with your audience, which is super engaging. Step 4. Starting your first passive income stream. Here we are at step 4, the thrilling start of your passive income journey. Think of this as setting up a shop open 24/7, even when you're sleeping or chilling. Launching a YouTube channel is a fantastic start. It's about something other than going viral overnight or having millions of subscribers. It's about sharing what you know and love. Let's say you're into cooking. Start by creating simple how-to videos or sharing unique recipes. YouTube is like a friendly neighborhood where everyone can showcase their skills. And here's the kicker. YouTube isn't just a platform. It's a search engine. People are always searching for how-tos, reviews, and guides. Get this right. Your videos could be the go-to source for years. Plus, the potential for monetization is huge. You can earn through ads, sponsorships, and even by linking to products in your video descriptions. Step 5. Building your passive income. Think of your YouTube channel as the first seed you've planted. Now, let's water it and watch it bloom. But why stop there? Branch out into blogging or affiliate marketing. These are not just add-ons, they're powerful income streams. For example, start a blog related to your YouTube content. Share detailed guides, reviews, or personal stories. Blogs are amazing because they have staying power. A post written today can generate income for years thanks to search engine traffic. Now, sprinkle in some affiliate marketing. This means promoting products you believe in and earning a commission for every sale made through your link. Say you're into tech gadgets. You can review a gadget on your YouTube channel and then link to it in your blog with an affiliate link. It's like hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. You provide value and earn simultaneously. The key here is to keep your content fresh and relevant. Stay updated with trends in your niche. Engage with your audience. Ask them what they want to see next. This way, you're not just growing a business, but building a community that trusts your recommendations and supports your growth. Step 6. Focusing on one stream. Step 6 is crucial. Focus on one income stream and give it your all. Let's say you've chosen YouTube. For the next 3 months, make it your mission to understand every nook and cranny of YouTube. Create a content calendar. Plan your videos in advance. Experiment with different types of content, tutorials, vlogs, reviews, and see what resonates with your audience. It's like honing a skill. The more you practice, the better you get. Engage with your viewers. Reply to comments. Ask for feedback. This builds a loyal community and gives you insights into what your audience wants more of. We are halfway through this amazing journey towards time and financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for even more fantastic nuggets. Step 7. Adding a complementary income stream. Welcome to Step 7, where we add another layer to your income. Imagine your primary income stream as a popular coffee shop. Now, what goes best with coffee? Maybe pastries or sandwiches. That's what we're doing here. If your YouTube channel is about fitness, why not create and sell an ebook or an online course about healthy living? It's about finding that perfect match that complements what you already offer. This isn't just about selling more. It's about enriching your brand. Your audience trusts you for fitness advice. Now give them something more to deepen that trust. This approach increases your income potential and solidifies your authority in your niche. Step 8. Doing the math. Step 8 is all about the numbers. You've got your income streams up and running. How do you turn that into the dream income you've been aiming for? It's simple. Set clear, specific financial goals and work backward. Say your goal is to make $5,000 a month. How many views do you need to hit that mark if you're earning through YouTube ads? How many units do you need to sell if you're selling a course? Break it down. If a one-course sale earns you $50, you must sell 100 courses monthly. Now think about how you can drive those 100 sales. It could be increasing your video uploads, enhancing your SEO, or running a promotional campaign. This step is crucial because it gives you a clear target to aim for. Step 9. Adding more passive streams. Each new stream is like adding a new instrument to your orchestra, enriching the symphony of your income. Let's say you have a YouTube channel and a blog. How about an Instagram page dedicated to the same niche, or a podcast where you can delve deeper into topics? Diversifying your platforms means you're reaching different audiences in different ways. Each platform has its unique strengths and audience. Instagram is great for visual content and building a community. A podcast allows for in-depth discussions and can be a perfect platform for sponsorships. The key is synergy. Your Instagram posts can lead followers to your YouTube videos, drive traffic to your blog, etc. Step 10. Building an email list. Offer them something they can't resist in exchange for their email. A free ebook, exclusive tips, or early access to your content. Once they're in, it's your chance to build a relationship. Regularly send them updates, sneak peeks, and special offers. Next up is Step 11. Outsourcing. Think of it as hiring a crew for your ship. You're the captain, but need a team to keep things running smoothly. Start small. Maybe hire someone to manage your social media or edit your videos. This frees up your time to focus on bigger strategies or to take a break. It's about working smarter, not harder. And here's the best part. It turns active income into passive. With a team handling the day-to-day, you earn money even when you're not working directly on your projects. Step 12. Creating an exponential flywheel effect. One way to do this is by starting an affiliate program. This invites others to promote your products, creating more sales without extra effort. Or create an online course. As people enroll and share their experiences, it attracts more students. Each satisfied customer or affiliate becomes a mini marketer for your brand. This is how you get your business to grow on autopilot. The more people talk about your product, the more it sells, and the cycle continues, growing bigger and bigger. And there you have it, the 12 steps to making serious money online. If you found value in this video, remember to hit like and subscribe for more life-changing content.